is our 2.5-inch ladder tape, our privacy ladder tape, with the guide cord that we have in it. As you can see, the guide cord goes through all the loops that are on the front of the blind or will end up in the front of the blind. So we'll take the guide cord and melt the standard cord through it at the end so that we can pull the guide cord. The guide cord will actually pull the regular cord all the way down, so it'll be faster instead of sewing it by hand or threading it by hand, as you will see. So the guide cord pulled the regular cord through, and then we'll just pull it apart there after it comes through the bottom.